Alright, so in our last video we talked about the Seton Point community. It's a Ryland home community in Windsor Mill, Maryland. It's a two-car garage style single family home community. Very nice community. In our last video we talked about how to get email alerts for new listings. So if you want to stay attuned to what's happening in the marketplace, you want to get email alerts for new listings, you have that ability to be able to do that right here on our website. So that was our last video. Now we're going to talk about market analysis and inventory trends, sold versus listed. So how do we find that? Well, you're at the right place. You're at MarylandLuxuryGroup.com, and what you want to do is click on the button that says Market Insider. Market Insider. So click on that button, and what we want to do is we want to find out what's happening in the 21244 zip code. All right, we want to check the market stats in and around the Seton Point community because we're looking, to possibly buy in this community. So the data on this page is consolidated from multiple sources and includes current listings, recent sales, and much more. Whether you're a buyer or seller, the knowledge you gain will help put you in control of your real estate transaction. So this is all real-time data. And so what we're looking at right now is a graph of price trends, sold versus listed. This is probably one of the only websites that you can get reliable sold data. Some of the other websites that are out there, Zillow, Trulia, the Zestimates tend to be off a little bit, but this data is coming straight in from the MLS, which is inputted by real estate agents. So the median list price in January for single family homes in the Rockdale community in 21244 is $219,000. That's $144 per square foot is the average list price, and you can see that the solds are definitely rebounding versus the list price, skyrocketing over the last 6 or 7, actually the last 4 or 5 months. This market has really rebounded in this particular area. So if you're a buyer sitting on the fence, you might want to hop off. You might want to hop off. The market is definitely coming back. So market inventory trends. The number of active listings in the Rockdale area dropped by 2.3% the previous month. So what you have here is in green, new listings. There is a shortage of inventory, folks. We are experiencing a shortage of inventory, and you can see from this green bar kind of how it's kind of steadily declining. Lowest point of inventory in the last 4 or 5 months. Standard sales, again, those are kind of dropping as well. Distressed properties are in red, and those seem to be remain steady. Property ownership. The percentage of unoccupied properties is very low in the area, about negative 8.43%. So 47% are owned properties, whereas 45% are rented. So almost equal when it comes to owner-occupied versus rental properties in the particular area. And so the median list price is $185,020. Average days on market, or median days on market, is 118. There's 75 active listings in this particular area, and 44% of the homes in the area are distressed. So here's another great map that you can use to be able to see what homes are selling for, what your neighbor's home sold for, which is really great. So 9805 Old Court Road in Windsor Mill, Maryland, 21244, sold last year for $415,000. And all you simply do is just click on the button, click on the dollar sign, and you can see what your neighbor's home sold for. So 3135 Bud Circle, Windsor Mill, sold for $342,000. Again, a lot of great information that you have here right at your fingertips. Hillmar Avenue, 3654 Hillmar Road, Windsor Mill, sold for $61,000. So everything that you'll need in order to really get a feel for what's happening in your market, you can find right here on our website. And again, you're going to get here from MarylandLuxuryGroup.com. This is Aaron Rice signing out.